What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking Now. We're doing our last break of the night. Thanks for filling it up. It is a 5-box mixer, and it's break 641. We're getting up there live. Good luck. We're live in less than 10 minutes now. Good luck. It is 11:51. We're live at 12. Patrick to Damon and Anaheim to Winnipeg, guys. Good luck. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3, 11:51. 11:51. Last and final on the teams here. Timestamp on 4, 11:51, and 11:51. Let's copy them over. I'm in a little bit of a rush, if you can tell. Chicago to Arizona. Chicago to Arizona. San Jose to Colorado. There's your teams. Let's figure out the names to match them with. 11:51 on the list. On the clock, Patrick Damon, 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is at 11:52. And 11:52 it is. Last and final, we'll do it under names here. Let's copy these bad boys over. Not yet. Last and final timestamp. Lice. It is 11:52 and 11:52. It is go time. Jeremy, spot 1. Jeff at the halfway mark. And David to Frank. All right, folks, here's your teams. We'll post them, and we'll see you in less than 10 minutes. Best of luck.